first princess for Miss Iloilo Tourism 2019.
To present the award are Mr. Jerry M. Anas, Iloilo Tourism Officers Association President, together with Ms. Joanna Marie Baroquillo.
Ladies and gentlemen, our first princess for this year's Miss Iloilo Tourism is candidate number. She is candidate number 7. Joshua Angela Amelia of Malasa.
Congratulations to the municipality of Malasan for garnering the first Princess Award for Miss Iloilo Tourism 2019.
Congratulations to our second princess.